Welcome back to the Random Vids channel. In this video, I'll make a bead maze. To start, I'll turn this dowel into some beads on the lathe. Okay, that doesn't look very good. Okay, so this piece here is getting a little bit too small because it was bent. So I got a smaller piece and it's also thicker. So I'll use this instead. So now I'll drill the hole and they should come apart. Okay, now I'll drill them out. Okay, now I'll make some square beads. That should be good enough. I think I only need 4 of these. Now I'll round all the sharp edges on the cubes. Okay, now I'll drill holes in these ones. Now that all the beads are ready to paint, I'll work on the base. So for the base, I'll drill 4 holes for the wires on the corners, and then I'll route the edges. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Okay, now I'll paint everything. First I'll paint the base. Okay, now I'll paint the beads. To paint the beads, I'll put them on the bamboo skewers and then spray paint them. I'll spray paint each of these sets a different color. Once they're painted, I'll stick them in the cardboard like so. Next. Okay, now all the beads are dry. So now I'll start bending this 13 gauge wire. Okay, there's one. And then for the other one, I'll use 14 gauge wire. So this one's a little bit thinner, so I can do sharper turns. Okay, so I drilled half of them with a bigger hole, so now they'll be able to fit on the larger wire. Now I'm pushing the wires out through the bottom. Okay, now I'll cut them all off and glue them. Okay, now I'll let that dry. Now that it's done drying, I'll give it a quick sand. Now it's all done. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Handle came off. What is up with this? Wow, that is some difficult stuff to move. Okay, good enough.